We have a Ram Rebel. I don't know what year this is, maybe a 2020 or 2021. But when we post it on the site, you'll see the correct year. Has some front end collision damage. Do a quick walk around. And left fender. Hood looks okay. Bumper and headlights look okay. Right fender looks okay. Need the mirror cap on the right front door. Right here. If you don't know what a mirror cap is, that's what it is. This side looks clean. Bed is sitting in place. Suspension is sitting in place. This side looks clean as well. Very nice truck. Doesn't look like any suspension damage. Frame rail looks good over there. In the back. So caught it right on the end over there. You can see the damage right here. Right at the end of the frame rail. No buckles in the roof. Windshield is okay. Let's take a look inside. Truck runs and drives. Radiator, condenser, everything was okay over here. Motor sitting in place, no structural damage. Aprons are good. You may need the lower radiator support on the bottom there where the damage was. Very nice truck. Nice interior. Two-tone, black with the red. It's a Rebel. Very nice. Very, very nice. Need 2 airbags. Driver and passenger, 17,000 miles. Really, really nice truck, nice builder. And it's a 2020 Ram Rebel. Let's go over the damage again. This is it right here. Caught it right on the bumper. See right here. Just enough to blow the airbags out. Post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.